Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be installing an internal sliding door. It's going to be going on the inside of this ensuite wall. So I'm going to run through the steps that you need to take to get a sliding door installed. So our door doesn't currently have any architraves or mouldings around it, so we need to install those first. Then our support timber for the sliding door is going to be installed second. So above the architraves that we've installed, put in a timber support piece that's going to carry the door track. Make sure that you pilot the holes and get through into where the studs are. Select screws that are long enough to get through the support piece, through the plasterboard and into the studs. We're putting 5 in this piece. That should be enough to carry the weight easily. And of course, just make sure your timber support piece is level before you screw it into place. This particular brand of track, it requires your overall door height plus 60mm to the top of the track. Just make sure you double check your measurements from ground level before you install it. We've allowed some space at each end of our track so that we can fit a pelmet later on. When attaching your race assemblies, follow the instructions that come with your particular door. These ones specify that your race assembly is fitted flush to the surface and 75mm in from the edge of the door. So we'll pre-mark it, pre-drill it and then screw them on. And repeat this on the other side. Before we paint the door and hang it up on the sliding door track, I want to install my door hardware. We've selected these recessed door handles, but that requires me to make a cut into the door on both sides and attach these handles. Now, to keep this how to install your sliding door video quite brief, I've not gone into how to build a pelmet, how to paint a door, how to cut a recessed door handle. What I'll do is I'll add links to those videos at the end of this one. But let's carry on with the install. To install the door, you need to lean it out at the bottom so that the wheels can hook onto the track. So you need to have a minimum of 6mm from the bottom of the door to the floor, and that allows your door to slide without binding over top of this door guide. If needed to adjust the door to get that 6mm of clearance at the bottom, you can just loosen these, lift the door up or down to wherever suits and tighten them off again. I didn't want to drill into the tile floor. I prefer just to put the door guide down with some construction adhesive. Find where you want your door stops and put them in place. One sliding door installed. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you got something from it, give it a thumbs up. Add any comments you like down below, and subscribe if you want to. We've also done another video on how to cut recessed door handles, so if that helps you with your project, check that video out. Alright, thanks for watching, see you on the next one.